Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. You know what that means, it is Tip Tuesday. And in today's Tip Tuesday video, I want to give you a quick tip on how and why to use a concealer. Now I like to call a concealer like a camouflage or your secret weapon. It's a great product to use on your skin with or without foundation if you just want to cover any specific areas that may have redness, extra pigmentation, or even under eye bags where you really want a nice even full coverage. So this is what a concealer is here. Today I'm using my full cover concealer and my shade is medium because you always want to try and match it up as close as you can with your natural skin tone or foundation shade. So I've got my concealer here, and when you've got a concealer, and you would have seen in some of my videos of me dotting a product around the face, it's probably this one here. As you can see, I haven't used much, and you can apply it with a brush or your fingers. When you've got a concealer, all you want to do is just go through any areas of the face that you may want to give some extra coverage. Around the eyes. And as you can see, this goes the distance. In winter, I also like to put it around my nostrils because I do get a little bit of redness there. So this is why it's really important to match it as close as you can with your skin tone. So when you blend it in with the number 22 brush like this, it just all disappears nice and seamlessly. So if you do have some areas of redness, breakouts, pigmentation, under eye bags, and you just want to give yourself a quick cover with or without foundation, a concealer might be something for you to look into. Always start lightly, give it a nice light application, and you can build up because a little does go a long way. So that was my Tip Tuesday, how and why to use a concealer. See you next week. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.